up, YouTube? Flavio, this is Ethan. We're going to be working on the Miata today. We're going to be doing a cold air intake, custom cold air intake. Try our best, see what happens. We're going to take you through the steps and how to do it to yours. So right now we're just going to give you a before and after on the sound. I'm going to have Ethan in there. Start it up. Alright guys, so we kind of already started. Ethan removed some of the pieces. In order to get it going, you got to remove the airbag sensor, the front crash sensor, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So that right there is for your airbag. Just got to disconnect the wires. It comes through here, down to there, and then you got your crash sensor in the front. That's what it looks like there. Ethan's holding it in his hand. But there is a plastic cover here in the front that you also have to remove in order to get the two 10mm bolts. That's what the cover looks like. And now it's open range. Let's get started.
Postcard stand.
All right.
Is that good? Not unified headphone?
Yeah. So right here is one of the most complicated parts of this whole entire process is the MAF sensor here. Do not take these screws out, one on each side. If you do take the screws out, you could potentially ruin this whole entire thing, and you have to replace the whole sensor itself. So Ethan here is going to show us how to do it properly and safely. First thing you got to do, pop that clip off. And do the same on the other side. And bam! Easy peasy. Fuck me, bro. Watch the paint.
Oh yeah. Hand tighten.
Might have to reuse the tools.
I could see the brake. Oh wait.
Come on, bro.
Is there a vocal Lisa? Just like that. That's good.
Okay.
Get it. So you gotta take these off, yo.
These right here. One here.
Hello.
Dale.
It's a little space in there.
Now that that's up, hopefully take the spacer off.
Look on gasket. Did you buy a gasket?
Should be a gasket in the kit. We'll take a look. There isn't something we don't know.
Oh, yes, yes.
See the fucking fits. Take this off. Done done.
It's probably what, 10 though?
10 or 9. Might be 10.
Looks like a 10.
So yeah.
Right on. Introduction. Holy shit. How big of a boat you need?
Why don't you just spin it with the ratchet? Yeah, buddy.
So is it good a pound? It's not heavy for a little piece, eh?
2 ounces. Getting there. Just remember, it's never a bad idea to clean up after yourself. Got all that gunk in there. Might as well give it some APC. Give her a wipe down while it's open. And voila, brand new. Explain what happened, Ethan.
They sent us this piece, but we have to drill holes.
So as we can see here, our holes on this will perfectly line up with the MAF sensor, but unfortunately, they do not match up with this here. So if you flip that around, show them what they did there. Those little indentations where you're supposed to drill your own holes. Fucking mint, boys. Let's spin. Back it up. Go back in. Let's see what it looks like. Not too bad. Let's see if it works.
Did they catch? No?
None of them catch. Your 10.
Yeah. A little spicy. How's that supposed to hold up? Just hold itself?
What?
This piece? Go back. Up. Open it. Up. Good. Up. Okay.
guys. We're finally done. I ran into a couple of issues here and there. Phone lost battery. Didn't realize it until we finished the install. It is what it is. Ethan, tell them what we did.
So we went to Home Hardware. We bought this clamp and this. Tied it down so this doesn't move. And yeah.
We'll hit you guys up with a sound clip. Yep. It's all hot and horny.
What are we gonna say
I don't know. So in terms of install, not a lot in the world, obviously. There's a lot harder things to do besides a cold air intake, but it is done. We took it out for a little drive earlier. You feel any horsepower?
No.
No extra horsepower. We'll give it maybe a 0.1, 0.2 extra horses. Nothing really there. Power-wise, nothing. Sounds a little bit louder, I guess.
Yeah.
A little bit throatier. But that's all for today.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share.
Till next time.
Peace.
Peace. Fucking mint, boys.
This